chase no fucking blouse. Oh, bitch, I make it rain shower. You did that. They wanna know a thing about you. You still that. You don't.
I'm actually gonna play this game. We're gonna have some fun tonight. We'll play this game out, see how it goes. If it goes well, it goes well. If it doesn't go well, it doesn't go well. Who knows? Who cares? You know what I mean? I don't know why I told you. I'll let you know when we're done with this game. I just left. We got a commitment. We got the cheese man in this bitch. Nice. We're knocked out two different players' things here. We ended up winning that game after the sim here. Let's see what the score was. 33-14. Now we got bye weeks, end of the season, off-season training. Hopefully a bunch of recruiting underway here. Let's sort by this. He went to Rutgers. Who else went to somewhere else? I got locked out of him. Okay. So let's send the house on some people. Who are we in first? We're not in first on this guy. We can try to fight out Indiana. What do I need to do, though? I already tried hard selling. We're gonna go all in on that guy. First buy on him, I think for a long shot. Yeah, long shot. We're first. I don't think we're gonna get this guy. Take him off my board. We're first on him. We're gonna guarantee this first place, though. We're gonna send the house. We're gonna hard sell him. What is going on, YouTube? As you know, I kind of fell off the face of the earth. I'm back for another video of my college football series. Rebuilding Northwestern. Let's continue this. I low-key forgot where we left off. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like we're 5-6 going into the game with Illinois. Yeah, I haven't been recording videos. I don't know. I've been streaming on Twitch as of late. But yeah, this is my worst of first series. Looks like we have 16 coach points to use. So let's go and use those real quick. I'm gonna go into recruiter again. I will upgrade that. That's all I can afford. That's all I can really do right now. Alright, advance to next week. Let me see that recruit commitment right now. Yes, sir. We got a tight end. We're already first on that quarterback. High transfer risk. Alright, that's fine by me. Transfer out, bro. I don't need you. Buddy. Are you even good, bro? Are you even good, bro? I don't care if those people leave. He has not been persuaded. Next week. I don't fuck. You ain't gonna find success anyone else or anywhere else if you ain't gonna be playing at fucking Northwestern, bro. Committed. Kicker. Kicker out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, my hometown, baby. Let's go. Transfer portal. Here we go. So we lost him to Indiana. We got those recruits coming in. So we're first on all these guys. So prospect list, no. Transfer portal. This is where I want to be at, right here. Right here. Top prospects. We have a chance. Quarterback, huge. Oh shit. Center, huge. Third on this guy, huge. Fourth on that guy. I don't need all quarterbacks. Let's just go down to my pipelines. Okay, let's just go to 3-star prospects. Or let's just go to the recommended tab, shall we? We need how many corners? Yes, I want to exit recruiting for now. So I'm going to go right back into it. And we're going to offer these guys scholarships. Six people I still need to put hours into. But it's okay. Hopefully I can get some quick commits from the high school level to free up some room. But if I don't, it's fine. It's fine too. Or first, third. Pretty good. Still 2.5-star program. Let's check the recruiting board here. We got extra hours to spend. So let's pile back on here. Let's go in. We got 10 hours to spend. Who? Oh, it was because of the visit. That was because of the visit. So, these 4 stars. Can I schedule you off for visit yet? I can. Okay, so wait, hold on. Is this one cheaper? Okay, no. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get rid of Send the House on these guys. I'm going to have to schedule off for visits. Playing time is a huge one for a lot of people. Hopefully I can get you on a visit there. Hopefully you like that. Oh wait, I can hard sell you too. Hold on, yo. I don't want to contact your friends and family. I want to hard sell your ass. I want to hard sell you. I want to guess what your hard sell is. There you go, bro. This guy. We'll check and see where we are position-wise for these recruits. And then if I need to put hours into them, I'll put hours into them. You know what I mean? Send them my way. Commit. Thank you. Nathaniel Wright from Virginia, right guard. Oh, at the end of fucking, goddammit. So all we do is just had it first place, we got them. Everyone else in second and third, we did. All the commits are rolling in from that transfer portal here. Okay, I get it. Can I just skip? I'm just saying the same button, man. Stop drinking vodka, stop drinking whiskey, stop drinking please. Drink some water. Okay? We got some nice recruits rolling in, but I don't think we have, we didn't get anyone off the full board. We'll have to check and see what we need. What's a need, man, because we don't have positions that are filled out. We don't have left edges. We don't have edges at all. We need edges bad, dude. We need edges bad. How many left tackles do we have? How many right left guards do we have? How many tight ends do we have? How many wide receivers do we have? Freshman, senior on my tight end board here. Halfbacks, we got a junior. We got junior. Still got that quarterback though. Wide receiver. We got freshmen. We're gonna redshirt some freshmen. Oh wait, position changes. Freshmen aren't gonna. Oh wait, they are gonna be there. We're thin on center. We're good on tackles. We don't have any left edges. We need. Can I change him to a left edge? We need to make him the starter. Yep. D tackle. Perfect. Sam. Oh, dude, this is rough. This is rough, dude. Would he be better at a Mike linebacker? No, he wouldn't. Okay. Corners. Thin now. Real thin. We have a real thin spot. Real thin spot. What would you be at corner, sir? Let's change you to corner. Now we don't have terrible number, whatever his name is on. Change you to free safety because we just took a free safety out. Strong safeties. Our team is real thin, bro. Athlete, what would you look good at? You would be good at Mike. That's what we need. We need that. We need you to be a Mike linebacker, man. Position changes, advanced week. National Signing Day, what was our final ranking? What do you guys think? I think we're in the top 50. Whew. Barely. No 5, no 4, 23 stars, 3 2 stars, and 1 1 star. Alright, man. Man, that was rough. That was a really rough season. That was a really rough season, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got a depth trade upgrade to Impact. That's pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, though. Oh, another depth trade. That's pretty good. Upgrade faster. Training results. Hold on before we end the video here. Oh, yeah. Corner. Wide receiver. This is what I love to see. Love to see that. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go halfbacks. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes. Notre Dame, I don't give a fuck about you. Ohio, I don't give a fuck about you. Go back to Northwestern. Yes, left tackles. Yes, 80 overall line. That's what I love to see. That's what I love to see. Love that. Edge rusher went up 4. What is that? Right edge. That's it. That's all. That's it, dude. Oh, wow. Sam went up 6, though, in his offseason redshirt. He went up 6 to Mike. That's not bad at all. Lorenzo went up 6. Corner room isn't looking that terrible anymore. Let's see what the free safety market looking like. Okay. Not bad off-season recruiting. Our kicker is going to go to the league, bro. Our kicker is really good. I'm not afraid to take field goals with him at all. Upgrade our skill tree. Let's go and put something in the motivator here if we can. Yeah, put that into the quarterback. Quarterback's doing pretty good. Our quarterback's really good. He's at 94 speed. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Put some requests down in the comments. what I should do next, what team we'd like to see after this. Once we get these people to the Natty, anyone in the Big Ten, let me know. We're gonna do everybody in the Big Ten, everyone in the SEC, everybody in the ACC, all that. We're gonna do this whole series. Hope you guys have a good rest of the night. Peace.